Ladies and gents, gearheads, gravel goblins, and every Zontes warrior roaming the roads, welcome back to the Zontes Maintenance Channel, the global garage where bolts tremble, torque wrenches behave, and scooters and motorbikes leave the bench better than they arrived. Today you're getting something special, something fresh, something straight from the source. You are seeing it first here on the channel, the brand new 2026 Zontes 150X. Fresh from the factory, still warm from the production line, and we're not just admiring it. We're tearing it down, stripping it bare, and rebuilding it stronger than ever. Are you ready? Let's strip her down and rebuild her. And before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss any of the Zontes madness coming your way. If you're new here, this isn't just a YouTube channel. This is the #1 Zontes maintenance hub on the internet. The digital workshop. The place where riders from every corner of the world come to learn how to keep their Zontes running smoother than a freshly greased variator. If it's Zontes, if it's mechanical, if it's confusing, dangerous, or just plain weird, it gets covered right here. No dealership fluff, no mystery steps, no missing torque values. Just real procedures, real tools, and real results. Because Zontes riders are global, this video already includes Chinese subtitles, and as soon as I receive the final translations, I'll be uploading English, French, German, and Spanish subtitle versions as well. No rider left behind. That's how we do things here. Now let's talk about the machine of the hour, the 2026 Zontes 150X. This model represents a major step forward for Zontes in the 150 cubic centimeters class. Built inside one of the most advanced motorcycle factories in China, the 150X is the result of robotic welding, precision CNC machining, automated casting, and strict quality control. Every frame is stress tested, every engine is bench tested, and every scooter is inspected multiple times before it leaves the factory. Zontes doesn't cut corners, they engineer them. The 150X itself is a compact but capable machine. It measures 2 meters in length, 79 centimeters in width, and stands at 1 meter 28. The wheelbase is 1,375 millimeters, giving it a stable, planted feel on the road, and the seat height sits at a friendly 750 millimeters. The frame is steel. The bodywork is aluminum alloy, and the total mass is 100 kilos plus with a load capacity of 146 kilos. Perfect for commuting, exploring, or carrying, whatever life throws at you. Under the bodywork, the 150X runs a 150 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, water-cooled engine with an SOHC setup and a 12:1 compression ratio. Fuel delivery is handled by a Bosch EFI system, giving smooth throttle response and efficient fuel use. The 12-liter tank provides excellent range for daily riding or longer trips. Braking is handled by disc brakes front and rear with dual-channel ABS, giving you confidence in all conditions. It rolls on 14-inch wheels with 180 rubber up front and 120/70 at the rear, and the lighting system is fully LED, bright, modern, and efficient. But specs are just the beginning. This is the Zontes Maintenance Channel, and that means we're going hands-on. Today we're diving into the muffler removal, the heat shield swap, the torque settings, and the full teardown process. You'll see exactly how the 150X is built, how to take it apart safely, and how to put it back together with factory-level precision. These are the kinds of tutorials you won't find anywhere else with this level of detail. This channel exists to empower riders, to give you the knowledge the manuals hide, the dealers don't tell you, and the factory assumes you already know. Here we break it down, make it simple, make it fun, and sometimes make it dramatic. Because maintenance shouldn't be boring, it should be satisfying. So buckle up, grab your tools, and get ready. This is the 2026 Zontes 150X. This is the teardown. This is the rebuild. And this is the Zontes Maintenance Channel. Let's get to work.
for the throne.